Hi guys, welcome back to the Codefreak channel. Freak out as you code. So now let's continue with the registration form that we have been developing in the last video. So there are many more types of things that are required as such for the registration form. So we'll learn about some more types of input types as such. So there are in registration forms, when you see, you can see a maybe a radio button or a drop down menu. So we'll be trying to use radio button to find whether male, female, or neutral gender, basically the gender part of it. And then we'll use a drop down to see which month the person was born. So that's what we'll be doing now. So I would like you to watch the video till the end so that you understand it properly. Okay, so let's get started right away. So I'll put a label tag here as usual, and then what I'll do is I'll put an input type after that. So let me put an input type, input. So the more you type, actually it's better for you to get in touch with it more. So that's why I'm trying to type it with you guys. So please go ahead and do that. So I'll put the type as radio. So radio is the type, and I'll name it as maybe, I'll just leave the name for now. Okay, and then maybe yeah, perfect. So let's put a name here. So maybe male. Okay, then maybe we'll have it in the same line only. Okay, so I'll just copy this and I'll paste it. Yeah, then we have female, other. So I'll just keep it as other. So yeah, perfect. So let's just save it and maybe then run it also. So let's see what comes here. So you can see a male, female, and other buttons here. So but when you can actually select all the three here. So if you have to select only one, so there is one thing which you have to do, which I'll show you here. So you can go to the Sublime Text, and then maybe, yeah, you have to put a same name for all the three. So I'll just put gender. Okay, oh sorry, gender. I'll type the same thing again for the other. Yeah, perfect. So now let's check it out. Let me just refresh it. I hope I have saved it. If I have not, you can get to know that. Yeah, I have saved it. So you can see that only one of them you can select. All right. So that is the trick for making select, for trying to select only one of them. You have to give the same name for all the three, which usually everybody forgets, and then we have all problems. Okay. So now let's do the next thing that we want to do today. That is trying to put a select or drop down menu. So again, I'll make a div. Divs are quite important to like break out your code. You'll see in the CSS tutorials as such why it's even more important. So you have a select tag. Okay, and then in the select tag you can maybe put in a name also. So name attribute which says month. Okay, so that's kind of important. And then inside the select tag you can put in various options. So I'll put in so we have to put in basically how many options? 12 options. So yeah, we'll do that one by one. So you can put in 12 options, and then maybe for the backend part of it, actually you will need to put in a attribute called value. So maybe January, and then here also you can put in Jan. This is what will be shown in the drop down, and this is for the backend part of it, which you will learn later when you come to JavaScript or even the Node.js, what we will cover later. Okay guys, so come back. I've actually typed this out for you guys. So now you can type it out on your own also. Pause the video and then type it out on your own. So we have all the options ready for us here, and later I'll be showing you a trick where you actually don't need to type all of this. Okay, so but that is for later in JavaScript or Java, where we do the coding part of it, more coding based thing. So for now let's leave it here. Okay, so keep watching the videos to find out the secret there. So you can see a drop down menu here. So yeah, you have all the, you can just select whatever you want. So basically you don't want the first one to be January, right? So now let us actually change that. So I'll make another option here. I'll make another option here, and then I'll put the value to be 0. Okay, I'll just put the value to be 0, and then I will not type anything here, or I can just type month here, so that will help out a bit. and then I can actually put selected, and I can put disabled, so that you don't select this again and again. So these are the other two keywords that you can kind of use here, attributes. So let's go there and then let's refresh it. So you'll have month here, and then you can actually select whatever you want, and you can't select month, so that's why we have put disabled and selected, because that will be the first option that you have selected. Okay, that's it for today, guys. So let's just type in something here. So code, so I'm just code d, so I'll put some gibberish at gibberish, okay, so that it just accepts it, some gibberish here also, and then maybe I'm male, so I'll choose my date of birth, March, and I'll submit it, and you can see all of that here as of now. Then we'll learn later how to take it, how to access all this data and then use it later. Okay, bye guys, that's it for today. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and comment below. Bye bye.